beautiful angels. This is Miss Dixie from Magic Wins Tarot, and this is your August forecast, love forecast for water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yes, friends, for water signs, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. If you know a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you can cross watch it for them. If you are a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, this reading is for you, friends. If your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you can watch it here. I will be doing it like fire sign, air signs, earth signs, so you can watch all of them. And friends, please do subscribe Magic Wins Tarot, like and share our channel if you have already subscribed. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a reading. And also, friends, if you want the Hindi versions or the Urdu versions of this reading, go on our new channel Magic Wins Tarot Hindi. All the August Hindi horoscope readings are there. The link is in the timestamp, so you can go there and check it. So friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot, friends. And if you want to buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwinstarot.com. Let's see for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What is the theme for you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? The theme of the month for water signs. Let's see. I will be pulling personal individual cards also, but let's see for first the theme, the common theme for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Wow, the Page of Pentacles in reversed. Your focus is on work, money, career. Wow, the Queen of Pentacles. Wow, your focus is actually on love also. Look at this. The Page and the Queen. You could be dealing with a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person, friends, in this month, in August, or money, success, and people who nurture you, hobbies that provide you happiness, everything that gives you happiness is your aim or your focus in the month of August, water signs. Wow, the Queen of Swords, the wow. Oh my God, a lot of people are coming towards you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. A lot of people are coming for you in the month of August. It is a people-oriented month for you. You could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, or an Earth sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. I also feel a lot of communications are coming regarding work, regarding your relationships or money, water signs. A lot of opportunities or communications are coming your way. I also feel if you are dealing with any legal issues in the month of August, you will be victorious or you will be successful, or you will have some victory there. I also feel that some difficult I don't know how to say this, but I feel like there can be some challenges in this month regarding communication. Someone can be very strong. See, Chariot. I think if you are dealing with some communication blocks right now, water signs, if you are dealing with some communication issues or you feel restricted in some areas, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you are going to find forward progress. You are going to find momentum. You are moving ahead, and I think it's quick, and you are also moving ahead or in your work, in your career. Money is coming your way, but I feel if you are a student, things may be a little slow or confusing or frustrating for you. If you are a student, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, you may not feel very happy if you are a student, because you want to travel, you want to make some new friends, you have joined a new college but you can't be there at the college, or you can't be in the hostels, or you can't have that college fun vibe, and you are like, oh my God, I miss it. Wow. So as a student, I think you might be a little upset or frustrated in August. There might be communication delays, or I mean, like, communication will come, but you may feel like, ooh, when. I also feel you could be traveling in August, some of you, or someone could be traveling towards you. I also feel that if you are a student, you definitely news from some other city, some college is coming towards you. So let's see your love life. Let's see your love life. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Let's see that. How their love life will be for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in the month of August. Wow, the Hanged Man. That's interesting. For Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, their love life. What will happen? The Page of Rods, the Moon, and the Ace of Rods. That's beautiful. That's very beautiful. What will block your love life for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? What will block their love life in August? Okay, okay, this wants to come, this wants to come. The Fool and the Four of Swords in reversed is blocking your love life. Let's see what will be the blessings in your love life. The Tower, oh my God, the Knight of Rods. Something unexpected is coming your way, water sign. Something you are not expecting is coming your way. Yes, 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 absolutely. So let's see. Wow, water signs. I definitely feel your love life. You feel very, very stuck right now. Like nothing is moving ahead, or a relationship is there, but things are not moving ahead. Some of you could be really very single. You are alone. You feel frustrated, like nothing is happening in your love life. No matter whether you are coupled, or married, or single, it's like you feel stuck. And you are like, no, 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 no. I'm not, I don't like it. I don't like it. Whew. No wonder you have a lot of money cards in the theme of August, because your focus was also on money, on work, and your love life is like a little stagnant. There is a relationship. If you are in a relationship, it's not moving ahead. I see that someone could be coming towards you, some sort of a movement or passion, or some sort of a initiation is coming towards you. An Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person could be coming towards you, or someone you love, or someone who loves you is going to make a move towards you. Things are going to progress in the month of August, and there will be a new start coming for you in your love life. Absolutely, a very, very passionate new start. In your relationship, whether it is new, old, or a past connection, this new start will happen. But before this new start happens, things will be a little confusing. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You will feel a lot of high emotions, especially on the full moon. That's on the 2nd and 3rd of August. So you may feel a lot of emotions, a lot of emotions. Something will become clear to you, or something will develop from that time in August, from the full moon to the next full moon in September. So something will be revealed to you. It will lead to a new start in your love life. I feel like something is calling you out, like someone, maybe a past lover, maybe a twin flame, or your husband and wife. I also feel there is like no one is taking action. If you are in a relationship, no one is taking action. Neither if you are single, you are also not taking any initiative or action for your love life. But it is going to change after the full moon in August. Things are going to become passionate very, very quick, and no more waiting for you. You will get a new start. You will get a new start. And it is in the blocking, so I think you are stopping yourself from a new start in your love life, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I'll take a clarifier. I think like someone else, maybe the person you are with, your lover, they are also delaying in coming towards you. They are just like taking their time. Maybe they are ill, or maybe they are thinking a lot. Hanged man, they are waiting for things to move ahead. But I think they want this new start. They want to offer you this love, this flower, this proposal. They want to come towards you. Maybe this is a long distance relationship. Someone is missing you. They want you back, or they want to win you again. See, Three of Pentacles. They want to work with you. This person wants to work with you and build things together, but either they are not taking any action, or you are not taking action. But I think it is going to change as August progresses. Things are going to change. Things will become better. Seven of Pentacles, you are waiting. You are waiting. If you are single, you are waiting for a new relationship. If you are married, you are waiting for more passions or your lover to come and meet you. You know, you are waiting for a lot of things in August. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Some of you are even unhappy that why this wait, why do I have to wait, why it's always me. But I think things will change. Someone is going to come very unexpectedly into your life, or some unexpected happy news will come into your life. This waiting will be over, or it will be worth the wait. Something is going to happen, some positive changes, like you may be dealing with a twin flame and they are trying to postpone not coming towards you, but God will bring them back towards you. The Tower. There could be a new lover coming towards you, an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius person, someone you don't expect, someone from your past, or a new person coming towards you trying to win you over. So a lot is happening. What will happen in August, angels, for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Ace of Cups, friends? See, a new start is coming, friends. An absolutely brilliant new start is coming for you in August. You have to keep the hope. I also feel not just hope, you have to take action, friends. In August, you just can't stay stuck in fear or just think or miss a person. You also have to take action. Maybe you are not talking to anybody or socializing with anyone, or maybe you are waiting for the other person to make a move towards you. I feel they will, but in the mid or the end of August. But there is also a chance of a new connection coming if you make the move to start talking to new people. A new connection, a renewed love is coming your way. What will happen in August for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces? I see a lot of happy tears, Cancers. Scorpio and Pisces, a lot of crying, happy tears, reunions. Oh my God. It's like someone is missing you. They want you back, and I think you are also missing them. See, Nine of Cups. See, again, it's like wish is coming true, friends. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yes, by the time August finishes, I can assure you something will bring a smile on your face. Something will shift in your love life. Maybe you will find a new lover. Maybe the past lover, your twin flame is back, your husband or wife, or your something will happen. A new start will happen. It will make you very happy. I also feel that you will also get more happy friendships. You know, some of you will be getting happy friendships or new friends through work, through art, through creativity, through hobbies, through social media. So it is going to make you very happy. What will happen for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in August in their love life? I definitely see happy tears. I see you crying in hugging someone and feeling very happy. The Four of Pentacles. Someone needs to share their heart and they will, and it will make you cry. It will make you very happy. And I also feel someone is holding you for life, you know, like, I don't want to let you go, baby. I don't want to let you go. Oh my God, Cancers. This is a super romantic, super emotional month for you. But I do see that your focus will be, if you are single, your focus is on money. But love is bound to come your way. You can't help it. So let's pull extra card. One card for Cancers for their August, angels. How August will be for Cancers. Let's see that. August 2020 for Cancers. Ooh, dropped it. Crown chakra number 7. Yes, friends, you are getting a very spiritual connection is coming towards you. You could already be in this connection and it is stuck right now, but by the end of August, Cancers, things are going to move. This is a spiritual month for you, Cancers, in the matters of love. Yes, it is a very spiritual month. A lot of signs, a lot of messages, people who are destined to meet you, things which are destined for you are coming. You have to keep an open mind. Some things may not make sense. You will find things confusing because you know the moon is here, the Ace of Wands. You will feel an instant attraction with someone and it will confuse you. You will feel an undying love with someone. Success and growth, destiny, number 7, number 8. Yes friends, cancers, yes, this month is for you, for success and growth in love, spiritually growing yourself and your love life. Destined connections are coming, and you know, like messages regarding your love life are coming. Let us see for Scorpio what will happen, how the month of August will be for Scorpios. See, now that's the problem with life shuffling. You know, they sometimes don't come out so quickly. Sometimes it takes ages. For Scorpios, okay, I got it finally. Wow, this is beautiful. Dedicated heart, number 8, number 7, daydreams and decisions, and again number 7, seek the truth. So wow. 8 of Wands, communications are coming. I definitely feel you are going to, Scorpios, this is a powerful month for you. Some things are confusing for you right now. You may not be sure about why a person is behaving in some way, or whether you can trust them or not, or someone is not telling you the truth. Seek the truth. I think someone will show their true colors or their true feelings. They will show their true feelings to you, express their love. If they don't do, I feel like whether or not they do, you will find some truths regarding your love life, and that will bring you to decisions. You have many choices this month, Scorpios. A lot of choices, a lot of decisions are on your plate, and I see a lot of communications also happening. So, someone will be communicating or talking to you in a relationship, maybe a new person or maybe someone from the past, but still, you know, there will be a lot of things on your mind. Can you trust them, where it is heading? So you have, you want the truth. Nothing less than truth will satisfy you this month. You will be taking some decisions. I told you it will be confusing in the beginning of the August and also in the mid of August, but you are going to figure out. You are going to figure out the solutions or the decisions, Scorpio, you need to make for the month of August. Again, the number 7 is very spiritual, and number 8, again, see, 7878. And definitely friends, someone will want to win you back, or someone wants to make an effort towards you. So Scorpio, see how it goes. I think there will be options for you in love life. See how it goes. Don't uh, don't shut any door just because you feel it's not going anywhere. See the truth. See, find out, figure out, get to know someone. Pisces, how the month will be for Pisces. Just breathe. Wow, Pisces. Just breathe. Number 4, how the month of August will be for Pisces. The Master in reverse. Wow. For Pisces, how the month will be for Pisces. Solar plexus. Ooh, hot reading. This is a passionate month for you, friends. You will feel very, very passionate. You'll feel very, very steamy, hot, sexy. This Ace of Rods, Ace of Wands is for you. You may find someone very, very, or someone is coming towards you, Pisces. Maybe a new relationship which is sexually very stimulating, very attractive. You feel that tingling, that butterflies in your stomach. Just breathe. I think you can feel a lot of emotions in the month of August, friends. You will feel psychically, intuitively very connected to your partner, whether you are married, whether it is your twin flame. You feel so connected with them. It may overwhelm you. It may frustrate you. It may also excite you, but make you very passionate. Solar plexus. So your ego, your self-worth, all are highlighted. People who value you, people who love you, who make you feel positive, you are going to love them, and they are coming for you if you are single. And Master in reverse, I think you need to feel You may try to control your feelings, Pisces, which is very unusual. Pisces love to swim in their emotions. They love emotions. They are the fishes, they are made for swimming. But I feel you are trying to control your emotions in the month of August. So just breathe, relax, don't control them. Yes, it's a high emotional month for you, but you are going to really, or someone is going to really express their feelings, their love. Someone may be acting out of ego, and they will change that in the month of August. Or they will try to fix things out with you, but you can be a little harsh on them or on yourself. So take care, friends. Remember to relax and enjoy life also, because I feel you can, Pisces, you can get very emotional. The moon is here, the passionate, the passions, the emotions are high. August is a high month emotionally. So take a deep breath and relax and like, phew, okay, let it go. Yeah, you know what I mean? Let's see some extra messages for Cancer. Ooh, that was, oh my god, that was a flyer. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What will happen for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in the month of August? Okay. Oops. You have like flying energies. Let's see. Whew. Scissor, disappointment in some affair. Yeah, you feel actually upset in August or even right now that things are not working. They are at a pause in your love life. You're not happy about that. You are on the road to success, mountain road. Yes, friends, slowly but steadily things are moving ahead for you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, older woman. I feel some of you could be worried about your mother, or your love life is affected because of a sister, mother, or maybe your person's mother, your lover's mother, family, or aunt, something like that is also important or affecting your love life or your month in August. The not unsuccessful plans. I feel you can't trust somebody. It's like you feel so many emotions this week or in this month that there is some past issues also affecting your love life. The not, something needs to heal first in your love life or relationships that will help you to move ahead in lightning. Control your anger or you will be sorry. Definitely, friends, you can become a little angry, and I think, or someone else could become a little angry or upset in the month of August. So take care of that. Arcway, new possibilities and opportunities and paths are opening. So definitely, friends, in your love life, I see new paths opening. In your career also, money coming your way, new opportunities calling your name, like come, 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 baby, come. I see actually a lot of people calling you, like, not like for in love, but yeah, in for education, yes. Opportunities in work, yes. Nest, an emotionally secure loving family is important to you. Yes, friends, you want people who are safe or who are very relaxing. A position of authority, the throne. Some of you could be getting a promotion, or some of you could be getting extra work, or appraisal or something. Pin, a new job or a career. So maybe you'll start a new job, so you are very busy, and that can affect your love life. The tower, you also have the tower here. Two towers. Solid foundation, success with effort. I definitely feel, friends, you are, this is a big month for you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Great things will happen for you. Some things will be not of your choice, but other things will be quite unexpectedly going well for you. So friends, I wish you a very very happy August. Don't forget to subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Like, share, subscribe. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. If you want to buy a personal reading, where you are gonna go to our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends, and to Join us on Instagram as Magic Wins Tarot too. And if you want the Hindi versions of the August readings, please visit our other channel, Magic Wins Tarot Hindi and Urdu. The link is in the timestamps, friends. You can go there and check. And this is Mystic C saying bye.